Hey guys, it's Caitlin here from the Dione Irwin team and Remax House of Real Estate. We are super excited to show you a new home that's coming on the market in Olds. So we're really excited to be up here in Olds, and Dione spent the day here and Plush Home staging and getting this home absolutely even more perfect and ready for its new family. So I'm just going to show you guys a couple sneak peeks so you can see parts of this home, but this is a really large home. So total living space, we are well over 3,000 square feet. So there is a ton of room here. It sits on a really big lot, really big front yard, backyard, back alley access, really wide street in a really well-developed area of Olds. So this is a street that everybody wants to live on because everything is so well established, large trees, park right across, close to schools. So everything about this location is absolutely fantastic. So I am actually in the formal dining room, and there is a formal living room as well. So also we have a sunroom behind me, large kitchen, another living room / dining room as well over there, huge front entry, 4 bedrooms, 3 up, 1 down. So I'm just going to take you guys for a little sneak peek. So as you can see, I am in the formal dining room, and so many windows in this house, which is gorgeous because really high vaulted ceilings, and so it lets in so much gorgeous natural light as well. Check out this formal living room behind me. It's absolutely perfect there with the nook window. And I'm going to take you guys upstairs and show you a couple more features. And then if you guys want to see the rest of them, you have to come visit this house. So we're just getting ready for pictures. It will be on in the next couple days, but large front entry, super exciting. I'm going to take you guys up the stairs, and I'm using Dion's little gadget, so I don't actually know how to turn the camera around, so you guys are stuck looking at me for this entire video. Top of the stairs, looking down over the formal living room, we have a really great sitting space, office space, reading space, ensuite with its own private deck, walk-in closet, bathroom. Like, how awesome is this? And you back onto sort of like acreages here in Olds. So there are neighbors back here, but you're right in town, but they're not super close to you, which is so awesome. And like I said, there's a back alley back there and a gate. So if you wanted, you could park your RV here, lots and lots of space. But what I really wanted to show you guys was this bathroom. So I think I can turn this around. Let's see, I'm not very magical with these. Okay, check this out. Whoa. Come on, little camera. There we go. Check out this gorgeous soaking tub, surrounded in slate. Also a large walk-in shower. Double vanities. Whoa. Whoa. So there's 2 vanities. The camera's getting mad at me, guys, so I've got to tone it down this way. Okay, so I'm really struggling with this camera, but I really wanted to show you guys this bathroom, and this is not even the ensuite bathroom. This is the other bathroom upstairs. Isn't this fantastic? This was a recent reno, which a lot of the home in here has been recently redone. So there is so many amazing features in this home. There's underground sprinklers outside. The price point is absolutely fantastic for a home that's over 3,000 square foot. There's a full basement, huge rec room. There's a gym area downstairs, another bathroom, laundry, bedroom, lots of closet space, lots of storage space in this home. So if you want to check it out, make sure to send our team a message and we will get you in ASAP to view this beautiful home in Olds. I hope everybody has a great day. Chat soon. Bye-bye.